Hey guys, welcome to the channel. JB here, excited you're with me. Today we got an unboxing, gonna have some fun. We got a couple packages here. We're gonna go through. RocketBook has a product out that I wanted to check out. So first we're gonna jump in here and take a look at it. And this is not the RocketBook. Oh, you can't see that. That's for later. We're gonna do that one later. That came in a little bit earlier than I thought. I thought that was it. Let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got in this box. Here we go. Okay, now we got the rocket pad in here. Okay. No, that's Neo's Glycoflex. That doesn't count. All right. Here is the, okay, we got welcome to the crew. Prepare for liftoff. Look at this. The future is infinite. And another one. Okay, so we got two space age boxes here. Let's see what we got when we look at this. So this is the Orbit reusable modular smart notepad, executive and paper, regular size. Now, full disclosure, I bought these. Okay, I did not. RocketBook did not send me these. These are purchased by me, and weird bags they're in. They're pretty cool though. But I did buy these, so let's go ahead and get into them. Obviously, they're very similar. Well, that wasn't a very good rip, JB. Let's go ahead and. The open latch, it's funny they got on there, open latch. I don't know if you can see that. Open latch. Welcome to the crew. Welcome, prepare for liftoff. Their packaging is pretty cool. Let me just do this. Let's just get in this a little bit easier here. Boy, it does not want me to get in this package. I guess a pair of scissors would probably be the appropriate tool for this, but you know me. I'm just gonna get into it and rip it open and get going. Let's see. Boy, I can't get that thing open. Oh, there we go. That should work. Come on, baby. Get out of there. It's like opening a bag of chips. You ever try to open a bag of chips and you can't get it out of there? Okay, there it goes. Okay, within the box we have... Okay. And the big one. This is the reusable modular smart notepad. Designed in Boston, Massachusetts. And this is the... See if I can do this better. Executive or smaller one. That's what we got. Now, a lot of times I use these devices for quick notes. You know, I can use the Remarkable or electronic devices, and I literally sometimes would rather just write a quick note. And I'm going to explain that in a minute. But let's go through what we got in the package. So both packages come with their nice little book. You can scan these, you can write on them, and you can reuse. And I think that's what has been nice about RocketBook is use these Frixon pins. And I have a Frixon blue one here and a Frixon highlighter, which can add to the joy and excitement of the RocketBook, which is fun. But when you're looking for something quick and you want to write some quick notes, like for example, Neo, I have the dog walker coming today because I'm getting ready to go up and golf at TPC Sawgrass. Sometimes you don't want to use an electronic device. Sometimes you want to have a notepad, or maybe you're a coach and you want to use it as a notepad. That could work. Okay, so we have in the bag a marker and a rag to clean it, and we have a marker and a rag to clean it. So let's just look at the size. So when I look at it, the paper one is obviously full-size clipboard. These are like what we use in coaching. I mean, I remember carrying this around all the time, and it, you know, keeping my notes in here and plays and stuff. And it's pretty cool. It clips on. So let's take it out of the bag here and see how it works. So it kind of clips on there, huh? Does this clip? Oh, it's magnetic. Ooh, sexy time. Nice. It's magnetic. So it's magnetic. So it comes on there. So you have lined paper on one side, and you have dotted paper on the other side. Holds pretty good. That is pretty cool. I was really yanking that to get that out. So it just clips in there. That's pretty cool. You got this hard board on the back, and I can see if you're somebody that uses a clipboard a lot, this can work for you. Quick notes, want to write a quick list down, it works out really good. And then the smaller one, I'm assuming, is the same thing. When we come up here, we have a nice place for the pen. Let's take that cardboard backing off. It just flips in there. And now you have an executive. So if you want to see the difference in the sizes, if you're trying to buy these, I'll put a link to these products down below. You can see the executive is obviously smaller, executive, and the regular size is bigger. Again, so a little bit with these RocketBooks, they use the Frixon pins. Okay, so the Frixon goes up and you just write on it. This is blue. And you can get various things for it, such as the highlighter, which is nice to highlight if you want to. And again, you just kind of dab this in water. I don't mean water with me. But you dab the thing in water, and this just kind of goes. I'm going to do something really gross right now. I'm going to grab my tongue. See that? You saw that? I didn't do that. Mom, I didn't do that. You didn't see that, Mom. And basically, it just wipes off. And so you've got yourself a clean sheet. So if you're somebody that is utilizing a clipboard, right? Old school clipboard, we said. Look at that. Ooh. That is cool. It's just on. Like, you could just see me and be an authority walking in like this. Like, okay, let's go. Time to get started, right? So you got a good clipboard, a nice thing, a nice little pin up there. Again, you can put the pin up here. I'll put my blue one up there. You can kind of see. And you're set. It's good. Now, I'll give you a little ninja trick for those of you who watch my videos, because a lot of people watch the videos on this channel, is that you can use a template. Now, how do you template these? Well, if you've watched my other videos, basically what you do is you take a permanent marker, and the permanent marker, you will write on this what you want to do. So say you want to use my planner that you got, and you're like, I want to use this for the planner, and I want to do this as a daily single sheet, as I've always said. Or you want to put a basketball court on here, right? Maybe you want to put a basketball court on here so you can draw your plays and stuff. Then you just draw it in a permanent marker. And then what you do is the permanent marker won't erase. Okay, let it dry a little bit, but then you have a permanent marker for that. So these are the RocketBooks. This is the RocketBook. The future's now a smart notepad. Now, again, one of the things you can do is you can use their app, which is nice, to upload it to the web, and then you keep your notes up in the web, which is great. That's a good feature of that. I probably won't do that, in full disclosure, because I use my Supernote A5X and my Remarkable for most of my note taking. But for quick, easy notes and carrying this around, like for travel today, I got to travel, so writing down a list of things that I need, this is probably a really good device to do that. And then I can keep that note in the future, and then I have my checklist here. So these are really cool. I'm going to go use it a little bit and come back, and we will have a discussion about kind of what did I do with it. Okay, let's go use this thing. My list. I got everything ready to go. So that's one case where this could be a really good use case of using this product. Let's go ahead and check it out. I got another one for you. Here I am again in the office preparing for a trip, and I'm utilizing this system for tracking the items I need for video. So again, writing that down. Now you might say a piece of paper would work great. It will, but this is, I mean, you can just erase it, boom, you got it, you can keep it, and you're good to go. I really like this product. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Let's talk about it in the office. So as you can see, there's a lot of use cases for the RocketBook. I do like the quality of the plastic on the back of this clipboard. I didn't use the little one that much. Obviously, you saw me running around just playing with it. But I can see there is some utilization of these for business, for your office, for work, quick list type of things. In the comments, I would like to know what you may use this for. That would be great to know. And also, I will put in the comments or in the description the links to these products. I'm going to use them for a little while and try them out and see, you know, how they work, and we'll come back to this again. And as always, I appreciate you being here. If you like these videos, hit that thumbs up. This is a Community Morning channel. We have fun here, as you can tell, and we're working on some new video content. You made it all the way to the end, and I thank you for that. I got to go on a golf trip for a couple days, so I'm going to take the small camera here and try to do some video for us. But in the meantime, RocketBook. These things are pretty cool. RocketBook does a good job with their presentation. There's just something about them. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to do things in a reusable way, I think they do a pretty good job with their products. And these are outstanding. I like these. All right, go have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for watching. Love the fact that you subscribed and are a part of this. And we'll see you in the next video.